Longtime friends blending the spine chilling thrills of horror and true crime.
The wildest Reddit stories.
And the hottest pop culture moments, one bold episode at a time. Welcome to
The Bold Blend. I'm Nay.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Ange.
Welcome to episode 11.
Hey.
Hey. So we're back to our usual Discord setup.
With good audio, guys.
Yeah.
We're not playing around now. Today's episode is called Class Dismissed, Life Enrolled. Sa mga nag-adulting na diha. To those who are through with school, this one's for you. Ange, can you tell us a little bit more about today's episode?
So, right. So, actually, mura na siya na-extend nga episode since dapat pag March ni siya but nawala siya sa among lista kung diri na lang sa mga first weeks kuro ana. So, and I think relevant siya kay I think karon nga time March, mga sugod April, di na ba na magsugod nga ang mga, let's say, fresh graduates kay nag-job hunting na. Nangita, nagkanang mga prospect asa sila apply. And siguro mga around this time na ay mga job fairs, let's say. So, mo na siya mong nahunahunaan nga, relevant gyapon siya even if dili na siya necessarily March. So, mo na siya, amo ang theme for today's episode. So, we'll be talking about, let's say, mga serious na stuff. Although not really serious, but you know, kanang a lot of us can relate to since sa amo, especially sa among age bracket na nadiri ang mga nanarbaho. So, makarelate ta itong mga times nga bag-o pa ta ng apply, bag-o pa ta ni graduate. So, yep, that's basically it for today's episode.
True. Thank you, Ange. And just a little tidbit on that. I agree. I think it's really timely. Okay? I think by this time, if you've graduated, kaya ni died down ng hype na graduate ka.
ni hit na ang reality nga shit, need na ko work.
Ang what's next na ba? Umana ang celebration. Okay, so I'm gonna start with true crime. So true crime. Di ako mag-horror today. I'm gonna talk about the disappearance of Amy Lynn Bradley. All right. So, guys, I think this is something that we've talked about last time. Kanang maglaglaag ba kanang graduating gani ka. But
yeah.
What about what are you saying? Safe na to laag to celebrate once nakapaso na ka? Wala na mga pamahiin na.
Most probably, right? Di ba? Kaya ang before man, ang murag...
Depende.
Oh, I see.
I mean, depende. Binamagyapan na nga koan nga fresh from mga good niya. Mag-start ka na bagong part sa mong life. So, depende sa kung asa ka mo laag.
I think conscious ka ng mga energy, ana ba? So, especially if bag-o pa jud ka nakapaso, so, bitaw sa it makes sense. So, ang balance kay murag, ano ba siya? Kay before, di ba? Ito ang naisgutan na nga, probably sa balance sa universe lang, nga if too many good things are happening, murag, ato nang insertan o malas gamay. So, especially since bag-o pa na, so very new pa, ang imong swerte ana daghan pa kay kag swerte wa pa siya na balance gamay.
Oh, yan ang life mo. Wait a second. Nag-glitch din. Anyway, what happened kay Amy Lynn Bradley, it happened after her graduation. Yan ka na mga laag and stuff. So, graduation is supposed to mark the beginning of a new chapter. But for Amy Lynn Bradley, it became the start of a mystery that remains unsolved to this day. So, imagine setting sail on a dream cruise. I graduate tayo, pack cruise with family, only to vanish without a trace. This is the chilling case of Amy Lynn Bradley, a 23-year-old who disappeared from a Caribbean cruise in 1998.
I think I've heard that before.
I have. Actually, na-research na nako siya at one point. Naana siya sa choices sa on topics before. So,
Oh,
murag
Hey.
nakadungog ko na nga story na.
yeah.
Alright, so I'm glad nga nakadungog naman at least na may mga input and stuff to Chica. Alright, so Amy Lynn Bradley, she disappeared in March 1998. She had graduated from Longwood University in Virginia with a degree in physical education just a few months earlier, in December of 1997. So she was about to start a new job when she went on the cruise with her family. So mo gito, beginning gito dato sa iyahang adult life.
Mhm.
So let's talk about the night that she vanished first. I'm gonna try to talk about it in as much detail as I can. On the evening of March 23, 1998, Amy and her younger brother Brad decided to enjoy their second night aboard the Rhapsody of the Seas. After dinner, they headed to the cruise ship's nightclub, the Disco, to have drinks and dance. The club was lively, filled with passengers and crew members unwinding. So Amy was seen dancing with a man named Alistair Yellow, nickname Yellow Douglas. Hopefully the guy doesn't have hepatitis or anything. But I don't know. He was a bass player in the ship's band, Blue Orchid. Some witnesses say she seemed to be having fun, while others later noted that the crew members appeared unusually friendly with her. So ano yun din, ano ba sa mga cruise ship, na banda-banda, makuha nyo din mga baby girls sa mga band dudes. So, this time I'm gonna go, just go timeline by timeline sa mga events. At 3:30 a.m., this is, quote unquote, the last night together. So, as the night wore on, Brad started feeling the effects of alcohol and decided to return to their cabin. Amy, however, wanted to stay out a little longer. She was last seen in the club around 3:45 a.m. Niyon na si Brad. A little after 4 a.m., Amy also returned to the family's cabin. She and Brad had a brief conversation before going to sleep. So, nag-chest na sila before they sleep. And then, at 5:30 a.m., this is the last sighting. So their father, Ron Bradley, woke up early and noticed Amy sitting on the cabin's balcony. She was awake, gazing out at the ocean, as if deep in thought. He went back to sleep, assuming she would do the same. And then, at 6 a.m., Amy is gone. By the time Ron woke up again at 6 a.m., Amy was gone. Her bed had not been slept in. Her shoes were still in the cabin. She had left behind her cigarettes and lighter, things that she normally took with her. The Bradleys immediately sensed that something was wrong. Amy wasn't the type to just wander off, especially without her shoes. I mean, who does, right? They frantically searched the ship, but there was no sign of her. As the hours passed, the situation grew more alarming. Amy was an experienced swimmer, and she knew better than to be reckless near the railings. If she had fallen overboard, there would have been evidence. Yet, there was nothing. The ship's crew conducted a basic search but didn't stop passengers from disembarking when the ship docked in Curacao? Is this Curacao? I think it is.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
That morning. So the Bradleys begged them to make an announcement over the ship's intercom, but the crew refused, saying it would disturb other guests. That's kind of sad because, your emergency is kind of delaying our schedule. Like, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By the time they agreed, hours had already passed. Plenty of time for someone to take Amy off the ship. The delay would become one of the most haunting mistakes in the case. Muna siya ang story sa iyang disappearance timeline. So, now let's talk about the search and some theories. So, the ship's crew conducted a basic search but failed to stop passengers from disembarking at the next port. The Bradleys believe that this was a crucial mistake. If Amy had been abducted, her captors could have easily taken her off the ship. Over the years, multiple alleged sightings of Amy surfaced. In Curacao, a witness claimed to see a woman resembling Amy being escorted by two men. Also, a former U.S. Navy officer reported seeing a woman in a brothel who begged him for help, claiming she was Amy Bradley. And lastly, a disturbing photo surfaced years later showing a woman resembling Amy in lingerie. Some believe it suggests she was forced into human trafficking. Despite these sightings, no solid evidence has ever been found. And Amy's parents, they never stopped searching for her. They have appeared on multiple TV programs, including Dr. Phil and America's Most Wanted, pleading for leads. The FBI has investigated and the case remains open, but no trace of Amy has ever been found. Amy's case is a chilling reminder that even in the most controlled environments, people can disappear without a trace. Was she abducted? Did she fall overboard? Or is she still out there waiting to be found? So, and I guess this is something no, for anyone who has information. And I don't know, our two listeners may not know a thing, but just in case. I guess if it's an active case, there's always a tidbit at the end. If you know anything, let anyone know.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it for my case. What are your thoughts?
So, I guess what we can take away from this story, no, from what happened kay Stranger Danger, jud. Bisag unsa pa ka, yeah, controlled, but like, isa may na control good ato nga environment. Dili man gid ang guests. Ang gato man sila mga taga dito, jud. Like, mga nag-work for the ship. So like, di ka mag basta-basta trust anyone you find fancy. So, I know, like, dili ta mag-blame sa victim. Wala, dili ni siya victim blaming. It's just a warning lang nga to anyone nga nag-think ba nga safer na siya kay like naamo sa waters and
True.
gi-screen test na tanan tao or sakto ba screen test or like gi-screen na tanan tao. Ana, dili gihapon na siya kuan gay like anyone can commit anything. I mean any crime. So yeah, be safe. Safety jud na gid na priority anywhere.
True.
Mhm.
I
I
agree.
think kung daghan sa jud siya, although na mga theories and all, like naadyo daghan jud kayong possibilities ba. For me, maglibog ko if unsa jud akong i-think if like na hagbong ba jud to siya or like if gi capture sad siya, unsa man gihiluan siya para di siya kasyagit, giunsa ka siya. Kay ang na-think man guna ko if gipunit to siya ba. Kay siguro nakasyagit pa sad siya no. So basig na sila ilan gibuhat pero wa siya kasyagit or unsa.
Yeah.
But kato lagi namugoy mga nakakita after nya mga niingon jud bang ako si Amy Lynn. So and I wonder lang pod ganong like from that sighting ganong wala gipaspasan ba kahadayon og adto although
True.
nasa kana nga parts po dita ka unsa man di ba ka sila anak ka kwartaan in that sense nga possibly dili na siya sa lain na siya nga lugar kay kanay ba mga victims sa mga ina dili ba na nga diha lang di ba like other places ba na sila pang dadon. So I don't know, mystery jud siya until now, unsolved jud siya nga mystery if naunsa jud to si Amy Lynn. So yeah.
Yeah, I would agree. It's crazy, kay kanang nagpaila like I don't know. That should be something considered urgent, no nga, or alarming. Hey, nagpaila ko nga ako si Kuan. Yo, I'm a missing person. And I guess if ever someone tells that to me, I'm gonna tell someone. I'm gonna freaking tell. And I don't know, man. It's crazy. I don't know.
I think
don't
lang
know.
sad no, kana siya theories man. Di sa ta sure if legit jud to ang mga ni share nga kana nga
True.
stories, di ba? Kay, you
Pero
know,
pasikat
unsa
na
na,
sa
1998 ba siya nga case, di ba? And siguro mga same-same na to. So, if naay mga naka-discover nga story before, what if nalay nag-make up og another story nga nakakita ko girl, niya siya help na ko. But, di sa dito kaingon nga tinuod jud to, di ba? Kay, I mean, if
True.
unsa man ha, if say term, if naka-recognize ka nga mao na siya nga case, murag, ni adto ta kag authorities, di ba nga, hello, na ay ni duol na ko nga siya daw si kuan. You know, you'd
Yeah.
wonder pud ba
Yeah.
if ang kanang
The
mga
source.
ang source if legit ba siya. Yun, di ba?
True.
Mhm.
But hinoon, like with kanang human trafficking cases, tungod man na sa, I mean, ang culprits mostly kay kanang mga seedy people. Yeah, you don't want to cross kay daghan na sila og mga connections with a lot of people.
Mhm.
So I guess dili tingali gid nila i-inform ang authorities kay basin
True.
in
Basin
on
sa-
ng authorities so
Not sa pocket
Lisod
ng
biton no nga
authorities.
kon. Di gid ma-deny nagi uban nga dirty cops, dirty politicians,
Mhm.
nga kauban na gid nila.
Mhm. True.
True. I mean, otherwise, they wouldn't thrive. But I don't know. Apparently, they're thriving. So someone is
Yeah.
dirty somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't know. It also makes you consider the safety ba, of I heard this podcast. I forgot which one, but there was, I think it's Wine and Crime. Yeah, they call cruise ships like floating death traps because technically, if anything happens in the middle of the ocean,
Mm.
right, and
Yeah.
the laws tend to get blurred between asa ka
Yeah.
nga kuan,
Yeah. Actually
yung
lang.
space.
Kay ako biyang papa sa cruise ship ba siya go work for pila ka years and maka-remember ko atong nasakit na siya ba niya. Kailangan na siya i-hospitalize. Di na-admit siya sa Spain. Na-admit siya sa Spain. Nindot jud daw kayo ilang healthcare dito and all. Like, nindot jud daw kayo. Lahi na jud daw. But, wala kay ba mag-English?
Oh,
Wala jud daw kay ba mag-English?
Positive.
Nag-struggle siya dito na part but in terms of sa healthcare, nice jud daw kayo. Abtik daw kayo. But, mo lang lagi na. But, mora na siya kung
Marbar.
insert ana. I mean, di man sa kasulti ko, kung nakasuway og cruise ship dire, nakasuway og cruise ship
True.
dire. Kasuway nakakit?
My dad
Wala
does it.
sad. Wala. Nagnana tingali ko and then na timing tingali diha sa imong screen nga nag
Yeah. So there's that.
yeah.
My dad worked at a cruise ship once as a kanang marag officer, whatever he does. So he only did it once.
Mhm.
After that
Mm.
one gig, he's like, yeah, no, not for me. I'm just gonna go back to
Oh. I think
other-
lahi siya no kay ako may remember nga stories po dito before based akong papa kay lami jud daw kayong kinabuhi. Kay I know di man good sila like sa kanang back nga part sa entertainment ba sila so sa banda ba sila so
yeah.
oh
yeah.
so kanang libre ang food kanang naay mga tips nya kanang inig pool
Yeah.
parties apel sila inana ba so laila iguro kato ako pa paganan to siya dito ganahan sila dito so
But di man party person akong papa.
Oh,
Yeah,
sad.
every night na party niya. I can just imagine him having anxiety. People. So many people. Freak out to the people. One amazing fact I heard from him though about kanang cruise ships is just people literally throw away money. Okay, if a currency is no longer useful in a different country, then
oh
people
So,
literally throw away money.
like if kanang stop sila in ana.
Mm.
Oh, I see.
And hindi na magamit ang currency. Kaya maragi sa'yo, nara na sa day. So it's not unusual to find money daw sa garbage or what.
Wow.
Crazy. Crazy.
Sana
Basig lang
all.
lazy lang gid ang uban ba nga
Yeah.
pagpa-exchange.
Yeah, diba?
Yeah.
I mean, if na ako dito kaya ako hipuson kay pa-exchange na ako pohon.
Go
Yeah.
back. Either that or collect mo na.
kanang mementos
Mhm.
or something.
But yeah, I guess that's kind of stories like these that make you more reconsider because cruise ships, they sound like fun. But it's stories like these that make you more reconsider like,
Mhm.
I'm really safe.
I
What
mean,
if this happens?
Dako ba jud kay ang ship, no? Like
Oh,
kanang daghan jud kay pwede mahitabo inside nga kanang mga inana mga monkey business and kato ihang case if ever gi capture man jud ganito siya like human trafficking jud to nga issue. Yeah, daghan jud siya pwede. Although ako lang na think ba nga if gikuha to siya nakasyagit pa sad ta siya no.
I have a feeling it's someone she knew. Nga,
yeah. Basig,
Oh,
ang katong guy.
yeah, I don't know but
Yeah.
it seemed like kaya nakamata pa yung dad, nga na pa siya, nag-chill pa siya. And then, she left her shoes. So maybe
Yeah.
someone, I don't know, probably knocked on the door. Hey, it's kind of urgent. Ano yung kadiyot? Ano sa then boom, you got, chloroform. I don't know,
Yeah.
something
yeah.
happened.
Possible.
Kanang, para sa Taken ba?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Kuan, di ba, like, marag flirty ito sila sa
Oh.
kuan. So, yeah.
Dirty lang to siya kay Liam Neeson yung dad.
Stranger danger jud guys. Maura jud.
Yeah.
Yung
Especially in a
lagi-
place, no? Nga, pretty much everyone
Yeah.
is a stranger.
Bitaw sa?
Nagi strength in numbers. Nagi body system good.
True.
Like dapat nagi nakibaw sa kapadong and unsa if na ka sa kanang another place ba.
True.
Ni muro na kanang dakugi kay na ba ng mga cruise ships. Nga daghan kay pwede mahide ng bodies.
True, and they can get
So,
people.
True.
Yeah.
Crazy story.
Pero
So that's
hangtod
actually
karon wala unsay last na update? Unsa years ago siya? Unsa siya kadugaya?
I don't know the latest update. You know what? Let's
Bitaw.
Google it because I'm curious.
Kaya until now wala ba yay update, di ba? So I wonder if
Yeah.
like ihang family ni Hunong nabasad kaha, no? At kaya at one point you
yeah,
would think murag kapuyan naman sa 1998. How like 30 years ago.
The grief of not knowing yun kay
Yeah.
mo'y lain yun kayo dili ma-explain.
I wonder
I mean
po, no?
compared you know.
Yeah, I wonder if now kani mga human trafficking I don't know sa ako lang githink usually they're used for sex man no kana mga inana
Yeah.
like mga brothel na I wonder if like as you get older or like as they get older mas stop sila. So like di na ka pwede diri wala na kay gamit nako. Where do they go? Do they get killed off or do they start a new life? I don't know.
I think no murag gi-break na kay na sila maayo nga di sila ka get out kay I don't know gi-base lang din ako sa katong murag true to life inspired na episode lang sa Law and Order kay kanang mga victims ba of human trafficking inya gihimo pagbata nila kay gihimo sila mga sex slaves and unsa pa na but katong older na sila na say mga recruit or something or gihimo sila kanang tigbantay sa mga newbies or like tigran sila sa kuan pero like under yapon sila sa main gang or unsa ba na sila.
It's bad guys. Yeah, that makes sense.
That could be. Or
Your reference is
know.
more relevant because I was just thinking of Miss Saigon and how Kim was so dependent to. I mean, okay, as a theater kid, but sa Miss Saigon, sa ako makita kay she had a chance to live that life, but she kind of got dependent to it. It's kind of how she survived. Si Kim, yeah. So. Yeah, I guess, because you know nothing else apart from that life.
And ninana bitang explanation.
Kanang broken na ka once they broke you kay kanang muna na yung reality, you've lost hope, you don't see a chance of, you don't even think about trying to get away. It's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, if other people ba makathink sila o ganang, why can't you just like kanang escape if like nanagi sila time escape go anam gyud na sila like drug gani gid sila like bisag unsa lay pangsud sa ilang bodies sa kinsa lay mo gamit nila kanang mga ninana ba so understandable gid like ilang mental health gid kaya like nanagid sa lowest of the lowest na jud dili mo gyud mablame ano marag na nag-gamer like open door na gyud di gid na siya kagawas. Kinsa man sa yung daganan, mo sa na pangutana.
True.
Kinsa ilang daganan kay like kibaw na sila yan na sila mga people authority nga connected sa ilahang mga
Yeah.
mga captors. So
And I think sila mismo kay bao ana nga they get to see that
yeah.
mga
Pero
encounters.
Kasagaran besad sa mga inana is mga foreign people. I mean, like mga Americans give da sa other sa South America. So like kinsa dolan nga maka-speak sa imong language or mga Filipinos nga
I
gipangda sa
promise
lain
work.
lugar. Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
I wonder
crazy.
no if naay mga stories sa kanang mga Filipinos nga victims ano. Naay mga inana nga cases no
Sure.
before, no?
For sure. I remember.
I think nato yung reports were nato news about ana.
Yeah. There were cases and I heard it from someone I knew. Sa una nga kala ni share lang siya nga naingon ana nga na bust. And what sucked kay dool ra kayo sa naiya daw ang ilang
Yikes.
ang ilang word.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. So it
That's
sucks.
scary. So muna guys, ay dyan magsalig og mga strangers.
Oh. Be careful.
Yeah.
Traveling around may bekitang chika-chika ganito. Mga tatagpuan,
You naman tayo buddy system.
Yeah, buddy system.
And we know better man dyan. Kanang, I mean, you know, no, kanang, I think, confident ako na to nga may pagka-street smart na good gyapon ta. Or at least atong mga partners kanang dilirot na maunsa or unsa.
I mean, dili ta masigig announce noon sa atong location at that time ana. Basta kuan lang gid dili lang gid magkumpiyansa mo ra na.
True. So there's that. About and akong gi-search. Yeah, wala na yun bro. Wala gyud klaro nga kanang update ang iyang case CBH. Sad.
Kasad sa family ana no?
I mean, I just hope no nga wherever she is right now no kay okay ra siya ba. Kanang dili siya you know to everyone nga wala nga naninana ba ang story. I hope like naka-find lang gid sila og peace sa end lang gid si kan.
Although I wonder if buhi pa ba ka siya ron? Kay di ba pila iyang edad ato nga time and that was like 30 years ago. Almost 30 years ago.
So, should be like 40, 50.
Yeah, you know, sa inana nga job nila or like sa inana nga kanang
and their lifestyle.
Yeah, di ba? I don't think last ka long. You know, and I think sad lang jud siya for the family kay left hanging man jud gud sila. I-compare nimo if like nabay nakita na lawas nga namatay jud siya. Di ba? Although gathing sad ko no, what if nahagbong lang jud siya sa ship? Di sad?
What if lang she got drunk?
What if lang jud nahagbong siya nya?
Nagdagan ba na constant ang ship?
Oh,
I mean bisag unsa niya ka experience nako bugnaw ra ba kay tubig?
Yeah, mo akong githink ba what if nahagbong lang jud siya? And I don't think makakita pa kag evidence. So, nihunong baguday ang cruise ship after ato, murag di pa dayon rabi jud siya, di ba? And sa kadako sa ano taon sa kuan sa dagat, di ba? Murag maglisod jud ka and unsaon man nimog trace back ana. At that time pasad, di ba?
Bita murag na abitay bantay if like kanang mayon man overboard.
True. Mausad di ay.
On dili ba perfect sad tong mga kanang
diba? What if nagtinanga siya atong nga time? Well, kantong timing lang jud tanan nga nahagbong ka. Nagtinanga ang tagbantay, wa jud.
Yan, iduko siya kay nagkutaw siya kape. Pag-ala niya ay wala. Chill.
Mga importante jud nagi kay ingnan gyud asa ka last kuan. Kinsa imong if nakakakita, ingnan nimo ana.
True. And kuan said kanang to people whose jobs is to keep us safe. I hope nga every day they work they're healthy enough to do their jobs well.
Yes.
Mentally sad clear lang mind to perform well because their jobs are very crucial sa mga civilian nga dakiat lang ang naong. So
True.
kudos to those people. But yeah,
Yes.
that's it for my story. It's crazy scary. Crazy scary.
Yeah.
New fear unlocked.
Lagi.
Yeah. Cruise ships. Damn. So thank you for that story. Okay, for our Reddit story. Oh shit, don't open kay Shopee. Sorry. Wait, sorry. Now for our Reddit segment, we'll be reading a story from the subreddit Am I the Asshole
Ooh,
by
nice.
Lily_0607. So, am I the asshole for being annoyed? My aunt is getting me explicitly what I asked her not to for my graduation. So, me, 17, non binary, closeted. Okay, I'm graduating as the class of 2025 in 3 months. And my aunt, 90, female, I've never met, asked me over the phone what I wanted. And I told her I only want money so I can get a head start on saving for a cheap apartment. And she asked if I wear jewelry and if I wanted her old jewelry. I think she means jewelry she bought years ago off of the internet and didn't like. And I told her explicitly, no, I don't like jewelry. Please don't get it for me for my graduation. And I thought the conversation was over. Apparently, she went to my mom telling her she's getting me jewelry anyway because girls always like jewelry and I don't know, I'm sorry. I think iyang name. Time will not use money, right? I think iyang name kay Time.
Like
Or
time the
is this
THYME.
Time? Yeah.
That's
Okay,
the
so
that's
yeah.
the name.
Okay, so no young people will do. Oh, it's a hug. Okay, murag medyo kuan maguni ang iyang the way siya nag-write. So, I'm kind of confused.
That's
Say
fine.
lang. Take
No,
two
yeah,
naman.
yeah. Ay lang, okay ra siya. Ganahan ko nga na ako disclaimer. Nga, lisod sa basahon. Kay daghan kayo ganang random pauses. And not too many pauses, but you said. Okay, so yeah. I don't want to sound ungrateful, but I am so annoyed with her assumption and passive aggressive rudeness. Am I an asshole for being annoyed, or should I just accept and be happy? Additional info. She's wealthy. And buy old jewelry. I think she means jewelry she bought off of of Amazon and didn't like years ago. I thanked her initially. Don't worry. I may give it to someone who will use it and enjoy it as much as my sister. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, so my aunt lives 10 hours away. I did not and would not ever ask her for a gift. She sprung it on me out of absolutely nowhere. Jewelry irritates my skin a little. Yeah, asking for money is what both of my siblings did for graduation. Edit, some more context. I cannot drive and live in a tiny town without jobs for minors. And I've applied at 18 local places and no emails or calls. So I cannot simply get a job and get an apartment at 17. Another edit. I'm sorry I didn't clarify this. When I say I want money, I mean like a happy graduation card and a $10 not cough up $200 now type of money. Sorry, I didn't make that clear. Edit. Reminding people of this. She isn't going to my graduation and doesn't want to. And I asked her not to get me anything initially. So, guys, what do you think?
Okay. That's okay.
Is she the asshole? I mean, I'm sorry. Oh, shucks. Non-binary, closeted, man day siya, no? So, Wapag siya naghatag sa iyahang kuan. I don't know.
Pronouns.
What do we do? What do we say? Is OP is
They, them.
is OP the asshole?
I don't think so.
I mean,
OP said, oh my god.
very daghan kay siya galibog sad ko
Yeah.
actually. Kay, you know, I mean, Shit, galibog og sulti, guys. Ako ang sentiment man god kay di mo close, wa ka kaila, ipangutana ka, nisulti ka, nya wala nahatag. Like, be grateful na lang nga naagya po gihatag. If di mo gikaganan sa jewelry, ibaligya.
True though.
Diba? I mean, for me lang ba, murag,
You
don't
opened my
make
eyes to
a
that.
big deal out of it. Kay, diba, siya ni mismo niingon nga, happy graduation card, $10. So, wala siya expect, but OP did say nga kanang to head start daw iyang savings for an apartment, diba? And then, iyang gibawi nga, okay ra siya $10 card. So, unsa man jud? For me lang, no, be grateful na lang nga gi-consider ka nga tagaan kag something. If maobi jud na siya ang point of a gift, 'di ba? It's not something I mean, swerte ka if ang nangutana nimo imong giingnan unsa imong ganahan mo gikuha for you. But in the very sense, a gift is like depende man sa gahatag nimo, 'di ba? 'Di ba?
Yes.
So medyo wala kayo ko kauyon ni OP ani nga story kay murag OP, just be grateful and like just sell off the jewelry if di jud ka ganahan.
True.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
Maka-make man kag money ana. Probably more than the $10 card nga imo gi-expect,
True
'di ba?
though.
So, mo na siya ko ang sentiment, medyo na strong ko. Kay
And I realized it already got me thinking nga ningon siya nga they're not close, they don't know each other well, but nana siya assumption nga ang jewelry kay more discarded jewelry ba?
Mhm.
Like if you don't know that person well enough, how sure are you nga nga discarded jewelry, you're not like it's something I don't like off Amazon, I'm gonna give it to you. I mean, maybe which made me realize because my mom is kind of like that nga kanang birthday ni kuan pagtan ako siyang Arius, and maybe it was something that the person got specially for OP. Okay, I notice that my mom does that sometimes, and she feels like, oh, this is a very precious present because I got you a necklace or I got you an earring, and in a way, so young mindset is I spent I spent quite a bit on it for you. So yeah, naka-realize ko nga basta gi-effortan pud siyang tita no nga fine. Dili ta siya. Yeah, kind of the asshole.
Kind of the asshole. But I want to know what the people of Reddit said about it.
Yeah.
Comments.
Let's
Go, go,
see
go.
daw. Let's see daw.
Oh, I think on top mga comment here kay like, no matter what, at least act grateful. They could be heirlooms. You can use them somehow if they aren't. Appreciate someone who really doesn't know you well, at least cares. Oh wait, so sorry. Appreciate someone who really doesn't know you well, at least cares. Biskotoy, sorry. Appreciate someone who really doesn't know you well, at least cares enough. Okay. Naari word nga muragon. Ako nga, basta kong brain gani kay like, okay. Appreciate someone who really doesn't know you well, who at least cares enough to acknowledge your achievement, even if not in the way you would prefer. It sucks that she won't listen to your wishes, but she's 90. So you won't
yeah, that too.
change her at this point. Not the asshole for being annoyed, but you could be depending on how you handle your emotion. Yeah.
I missed the part nga 90 na da iyahang
And yeah,
Oh.
19 na. So like, I mean,
you're OP, you are the asshole. Sorry. I will consider you the
guess-
asshole.
I guess na annoyed siya kaya na siya expectation like, my rich 90-year-old aunt contacted me. It's gotta be something.
Yeah.
and also, gitagaan iyahang mga igsuon og money. Ana, I think kay
True.
asking for money is what both of my siblings did for graduation. I don't know how if sa context is mo yang aunt may gi-ask ane or like mao lang gid ang gi-ask like for sa gikan sa parents or something ana Pero ang iya yung gikuan ba dere, yang gi-emphasize nga wealthy ang iyang aunt
Mhm.
ana. I mean, she may not have money and basig iyara nang gi-cover up ang kuan nga dili ba ginato, dili ta mo judge gyud ba sa tawo nga ganahan mo hatag og kuan ana. Basig dili wala siya sa term ni extra para ika-give ana.
True.
It's giving entitled brat.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, actually,
Mm.
murag, siguro nangigi siya, but,
Yeah.
I mean, that's family drama, man jud mga inana sad. Oy, and like, kana lang jud ako, like, I don't know, depende sa jud guro na sa tao, kay, ako,
Depende sa tao.
mapangikugon, inana gani, mapangikugon ka ba nga kanang, ayaw lang, uy, ikaw ra jud bahala, okay ra jud. Yeah, kung pugson jud ka, sige, pwede ra pod og kani, na. Pero, in my head, if maong ganin na ang case, murag, di lang jud ko mag-expect. Kay, gift man good siya. Unless,
True.
ingnon ka nga kanang, unsa may term ha, obligasyon jud nako ihatag imong gusto. Unsa man jud imong gusto. I-compare nimo with like kanang hatagan ti ka og graduation gift. Unsa nimong ganahan. And, kana basin out of the budget unsa ba ka or like mas sentimental siya considering nga 90-year-old na siya, 'di ba? So hatag nako nimo kay you can keep that I still consider OP asshole. Murag be grateful
Yeah,
na lang.
I think the butt hurt sa siguro siya no kay gingna siya nga kanang they won't spend it well. Yeah, the comment ito yung butt
kana
hurt
sad,
siguro to siya.
we don't know unsa nga kind of person si OP. Basin na-adjust story before nga kana. And like to think ba, yeah, probably with maturity kay OP is 17.
Yeah.
So,
Masan.
yeah, like, are we really sure nga for saving for the apartment or na siya trip coming up?
Lagi.
You know? Yeah. Luoy paminaw noon ang 90-year-old. I mean, if di ba sila kaila sad sa? So, dako ka siya expectation for someone nga di siya kaila. I mean, siguro,
True.
inana, mamangluod ka nga, hala, wadyo ko niya paliti mo, ben, akong gisulti. If, close mo. Like, uncle ni mo, auntie ni mo, kanang murag, feel ako immature and all pa ba nga.
Yeah.
Kasi gakiat lang baka ang huna-huna.
Oh.
No? Yeah.
I hope mo-graduate na sad siya. Ana nga kuan ganani
The
ana
face
nga
mindset.
mentality.
Yeah, mentality. Yeah.
DMD like
I mean, ako initially I was thinking not the asshole because mo siya gibuhat good. Like annoyed siya. But mo siya gisulti nga na siya gibuhat about it. Anything disrespectful. And I guess kids can be ungrateful sometimes. But
yeah.
I think he should learn a life lesson as early as now nga. It's something. And dili na usong prinda sa ila.
Ambot ay gisapot ko na minaw nga murag daghan kay siya giyaw-yaw. And like kanang nganong mag-expect kag dako kayo from someone nga wa nimo na meet. May nalagan ni nahuna-hunaan ka nga tagaan ka bisag wala ka na meet, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero lang.
Murag katurog yan sa edit niya kay iyang gibawi nga $10 DMD.
Klaro kaayo nga playing safe kay iyang first nga gibutang di ba nga kanang money lang kay to head start sa savings. Dako ba og mabuhat ang $10 for them?
Di, kamay kay na.
Di ba?
So mahala ang ilang rent.
Di ba? Anya mubawi siya siyang edit nga okay ra ta ko og $10 nga gift card. Just saying di ka ganahan jud wala jud ka kauyon, but like I don't know, just could have been
wala nahatag yang gusto.
Yeah, wala jud nahatag yang gusto.
I think na-excite siguro siya katong pangutana na siya nga like dato niya ask what do you want
kato sakto sa to bro imong sulti nga nanam gud siya expectation daan. So,
mauguro to nga
butthurt kay siya. Yeah.
But yeah, I guess kanang OP needs to get their attitude in check. But if wala mo siya gibuhat though, wala siya nangaway or anything. Ano siyang mind.
Siguro nagdabog lang to siya sa ilaha.
Not entirely the asshole, but they need to realign their mindset.
I mean, relate sa dyan, no, kanang mga graduation, kay also kay gift, ana. Unsa may gift? Unsa may nakuha no pag graduation ako? Wala day.
I'm not the type of person who gets a lot of gifts from relatives. No, not even on birthdays. Like, gamay ra kayo, and I guess I just got used to it.
True. Same,
I got
actually.
used to it. So,
I don't know if
really
asa siya
expect
gikan
much.
tungod ba kaha kay eldest to akong mama. Nya murag naasad sa mga una nga parts ba, dili siya ang kanang mga bata-bata. So, dili kay ka ma-consider nga tagaan og stuff. Ina na gani.
Kids, and I think very young siya kay ni-graduate siya niya this year. So, very young person, a very recent post. And I guess they need to mind their priorities.
True.
And also, when you're young, you're not that keen on appreciating the people around you pa. Because I guess your young mind would also only just get you thinking about yourself. But she's 90, so maybe be nice to her because maybe she's a cool person.
True lang.
You won't have the chance.
What if
get to
tired
know
na lang
your
sad siya in life? 90 is a very layuan ng 90. I don't imagine, I don't see myself there man good nga. Marag, like, mana siya sa life. So, yeah.
Chill na lang siya ba?
So, mo na to siya, guys. So, kanang mga pag-graduate diha, ang mga ga-expect og gifts, it's called a gift, no? It's not kanang, sa may tabat term na obligation. So,
True.
I hope ba, I mean, not sure depende dyan siguro sa mentality, mindset sa tao, but for me, man good, or like, kita diri nga, a gift is something willingly given ba? Willingly given, na, swerte na lang jud ka if masunod ang imong request. But, if dili man gani, like, be grateful lang gihapon kay, I don't know, no, if coming from someone lang sad siguro nga who doesn't get a lot of gifts before, di ba? Nga murag, kung unsay madawat nako, malipay ba ako bisan pag unsa na kagamya diya, malipay ra jud ka. Ina na gani. So, I hope we get to unlearn that part nga kanang magreklamo ka kay wala nakuha imong ganahan.
You know what they say about gifts? It's always the thought that counts. So,
yes.
True.
And as we shoot right now, as nag-record mi karon, lipay kani si Anjuri, kanindot kay siya gift. Gifts di ay.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Yeah.
Nasa back ni Yaro kan.
Ganun mo makita sa akong gift. Sige, natay mini special guest.
Yay!
Di mo makarot. Tada!
I'm pretty!
Actually, unlan siya with the face of my girlfriend na yung gift for our anniversary.
It's so
Yes,
cute.
So,
cute kayo.
Although every day mi magkita, tapad mi mag-sleep gihapon.
Yeah! Cute!
It's watching you, so you
dito
better.
nga part pod ang bouquet and all. So, yeah.
Aw. And, ay, napay katulo. Ay.
Anya na lang, makaibawra niya muna. Makaibawra niya.
Para wala sa fade niya, Julie.
Tanawa lang ako ang ano. Okay, so, thanks, Kate, for that. Kanang, medyo dagan taog, dili kita one direction atong nga story. Nga, lahi-lahi tag thoughts, ana.
Yeah.
But, at least in the end, kay natay common ground. Or like, na part nga where ta nag-agree. So, for me, medyo taas-taas na yung episode kaya nagdagantag masteriyan eh. So, wala kayo ko'y how do you call that? Wala kayo ko'y basahon. I-share na ako ang topic and then we'll go from there. So, here, na question, after graduation, unsa may usually nga buhaton dyan, mangita mag-jobs, diba? So, ngita kag-jobs and all. And then, we know people nga bisag na job, let's say, pila na ka year sa job. Hala, naragyapon sa ilaha, pangitaon gyapon sa parents, diba? Which is, daghan kay siya underlying reasons. There are a lot of things, anang apart. But ang akong i-discuss karon is this Filipino culture. Can we call it culture? But like Filipino thing nga pag-move out. 'Di ba? So,
Yeah.
kapit sa pamilya. Why moving out is uncommon in the Philippines.
It's a
Nice.
sequel to Breadwinners.
Yeah.
Bitaw,
So,
true.
daghan jud kay siya ganitong domino nga topics nga ma-cover. So, for here, mo na siya. Unsa man jud di ay ang right age for a Filipino to move out? And should we even move out?
Mm.
Di ba?
Nice questions.
Di ba? So,
Yeah.
I will
daghang
put
kay
down my
think-
phone and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
I love
Alright,
that, I
let's
love
go.
that.
So,
Okay.
muna siya guys. Daghan tag kaila, no? Nga, I don't think daghan taog kaila nga nag-live alone na jud. Di ba? Mas maihapra sa imong fingers ang nag-live alone. I-compare sa nagyapon with families, di ba?
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah.
God. I just
Diba?
realized that. Crazy.
Yeah, right? So, muna siya. Why is it uncommon here sa Philippines? What's the difference man with, di ba? Ako nang gipunit ako ang mic. Makita si Fritzy. Hindi lang ko. So, what is the difference sa Philippines o sa other countries? Kasi you see in other countries, when they turn 18, no? Like,
Yeah.
move out sila. Like, they start in another city. You know, usually, kana sa mga movies, nga atong pagatan-aon nga kanang finding myself in another city. Yeah, so what do you
Yeah.
think is the reason nga nung uncommon kay siya here sa Philippines? Okay, go Nea.
For me, I think.
Medyo ka na
Sorry,
eskwelahan pa.
You know, kasi gana-
Sige, stand up please.
Ay, permibiya ko yung nun sa unay, stand up kay. Barug sa. Barug naman ko.
Wajud ko ni tingog nakaunaw na ako pero anak ko ni tingog ikaw dyan i-open na to.
Story of my life. Anyway, yeah, for me, I think it's because a lot of us are just raised smothered with love and affection by our parents. And I think it's I'll take it back. One of two things. Either you're smothered with love and affection and care, and you don't feel the need to even be on your own. You're good. You're done with school. You get job, and you go home to home cooked meals from your mom or anyone from the family. Someone makes your bed, does your laundry. You know, why would you even want to go anywhere else? That's the comfort of home. Two is, I think, more related to our previous episode. It's more on a financial thing. Your priorities. Like, I would rather help out at home than use this specific amount of money for rent.
Yeah.
So, for me lang, it's one of two things. I think for me, I had to rent out somewhere because my job was far and I keep falling asleep while driving home. And then eventually I realized, and I had this realization, nga, you know what? This is better. You know why? I realized now when I'm away from my family, I miss them more. Our interactions improved because we are not stuck in one place where this time multiple adults with multiple opinions, okay, na stuck sa place, and those different opinions, they're gonna clash at some point. So for me, I felt like mas tigaan yun akong relationship with my family because we don't always have to argue about everything. And when I had to live away from home for half a year, katong nandito jud ko sa Manila for half a year, mas na-realize ako ba nga, mas na-appreciate nako na ingon ana. And every time we spend together, those little phone calls, they're much more meaningful than wala na ka na I don't know, for me lang, because when you're an adult and you put a bunch of adults in one room, bisan kita siguro if magka-roommate ta, and 3 adults in one household, we will eventually get
Mhm.
have our arguments or disagreements, and if it's on a daily basis, it would really affect our relationship. Ay, kuan, sikit, kuan, man na.
Yeah.
Ay, sa juri, hakal, kita sa juri, kuan, ano ba? Diba? And I think for me, that's my take on that.
Yeah, great points. Kanang legit as someone nga kailan ninyo nga kanang wala pa ka mo. Pero gata kung ba kayo move. Kuan lang ko sa ako ang point of view. Okay. So, well, yeah. Gina, ang pros lang gyud sad sa ko ano kay, yeah, tinod to nga na kay home cooked meals and the company jud of your family ana, but maka-think magi ka eventually ba no nga dili magini imong kan imong space gani nga makabuot-buot tag anything nga ganahan ka ibalhin-balhin nimo imong koan kanang ang couch imong living room i-redecorate nimo na kailangan ba ka mananghid so koan or sorry murag ay na lang di lang sa kong istorya murag kong masad
Aww.
yeah ano on sorry sige di na lang ang istorya na lang ko ay lang ikat
Okay.
kanang right sample ra to pero I guess no kanang my parents gani trust me nga I think nga murag kaya na ko nga ang ako'y mabilin murag ginana gani mo nang di ka sila ka let go if koan nga if ako'y muhawa na kay naabot ba sa gito sa point nga ang ako'y nananghid nga move out akong sister kay iya ni nana niya dili pa gid na move out ha nga mag live in lang gid sila move out kay kuan sad kanang padung na sila kaslon kanang ni nana ba
Mhm.
and then yeah strict akong parents but yeah they do it out of love of course pero ang kuan lang gid ba kay di ka find imong own space if di gid ka move out pero gitagaan ko nilang space kay para di lang gid ko move out
Oh.
oh
I
naabot og
see.
ni nana naabot og ko ng murag like na bargaining ko ba so
Mhm.
like I think move out lang gid ko if naana ni sharing
Ay,
maabot ni
yan.
nana oh pero I mean sa sugod no mura ko ganun like magsige mag-away or kuan like di mo gyud sa away gyud na super kuan gyud na super serious jud kaayo pero kanag yung makuha lang gid mo feelings ba like ma-amplify lang sa fact na wag gyud kay mo own place nga maka-storm off ka wa kay mo
Mhm.
own room nga kanang wala gid tao gyud na kuan hinuon karon naa na gyud ko own room nga makuan nga nang ma-call mine or jud nga wala gyud makasud nga kuan kanang kay wa man sa ganan mo sud kay init pa man nagkuba man akong aircon sorry dapat adan siya humor kay para di kay super sad
Tagaan pa. Mhm.
Pero like yeah ila ko gitagaan og din ana nga himon man to sa kong dad og kanang iyahang own kanang tool room or something a tool shed or something niya yeah kay ni threat naman kung mamubat ko bisag silingan ra gud na silingan na namo unta like silingan mo ingon ra man ko ibalhin na raw akong stuff dito dili gyud mo ko matog
Ka-cute.
pero di ko sa lang imo na nga room ka-share mo so mga to murag nawagtang na and all nawagtang na siya nga thought but yeah I guess murag siya kuan sad nga di ko ka lakaw anywhere ka as much I mean compared sa my ex-own I don't know murag na ako special rules yeah so yeah murag sad and kind of okay at the same time siya as someone nga nanani nga situation.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
So, yeah. Thanks, guys, sa pag-share. So, sige, just to share something pod sa ako, so, naka-try na sad kog live alone, although I live with my relatives man pod karon, but, naka-try kog live alone, like, ako ra jud, and then, dako sa akong stuff, nitawag mo na to kay, okay, I'll share it. I don't think they'll listen though, but anyway, so, ang nitawag to kay, after ni pass away akong dad, kay ni stay ko, with his partner for like a year, and then, you know, like, lahi man jud good. Lahi jud siya. No, anang, siguro, when we say nga, dili mo kadugo, you know, and, I guess, nakashare na ko before, so, na yung mga history, be ato nga story, diba? So, katunin, decide na jud ko, kay murag, wala na ko kauyon sa mga butang-butang ba? Tunin, decide kong lahi na ko. So, mo to, nilahi ko for a year, niya, nag-rent ko og small one-bedroom apartment, ang dalaran ako ato kay akong bed, akong PC, ako ang tables, and then, ako mga sinina. Kato ra jud. So, from there, nag-start ko, nangumpra ko og kanang refrigerator, TV, aircon. So, naginahinay ko kanang build sa ako ang mga stuff. So, pahit ko aparador, kaning aparador, ako ning gipalit ato kay, asa mo kong ibutang sa usa nina. Ang nana ko dito kay kanang karton gani. Karton pa ako mabutangan kay ang ako ang aparador before ato kay murag siya didto na siya daan ba, so murag ba ikog sad ka nga imong dadon, so nipalit ko ang aparador and liberating jud kay siya nga kanang oh my god, this is my own place, kanang ako magbuot, ako ni siya ibutang diri, ina na gani. And then at the same time lahi jud siya ang level of growth while living alone ka, kay palitan ka na, lahi ba ang advantage nga inig-uli mo or inigmata ni mo na food, di ba? So sa una mag-live alone ko, kay hala mo, mata ko, unsa naman sa dakong kanon, oy, niya, kanita mo na una nga, unsa na sa dakong kanon, igbuntag, unsa na sa dakong sus, inig paniud to, unsa na sa dakong kanon. So, kanang ito mga inana nga problems, nga murag, at that time, dili siya sort of really reklamo nga kapuya biani uy kapuya uy, pero more of like hala unsa nam sa dako sudanon, although stressful siya pero kana ganing mo ni siya ang reality nga akong gipili, mo jud ni siya ana gani. So daghan lingaw sa to nga ako lang, although naay parts nga murag di jud ko kaingon nga ako ra kay akong cousin ato everyday man mo adto kay mogamit sa akong PC kay magduwa. So, but you know, like in the end, like inig weekends, muli man siya. But kana bitong the thought nga ako adjud ning place, ako'y makabuot unsa akong gusto buhaton. Inana ba? So, lahi ra jud siya. And siguro lahi jud siya nga case for some people, like we heard from Nea's point, from Kate's point. But yeah, mo lang na siya. Naman goy pros and cons, 'di ba?
Oh yeah.
'Di ba? Ang pros and cons jud. So, lahi ra jud ang growth if makatry ka. So kanang karon lang kay nasay murag kani nga na ako with my relatives kay murag napoy turning point ato nga time ba mao ni agree sad ko nga na. Oh, which is nice man sad, lahi ra man sad jud good nga kanang nakikastorya kanang igawas nimo kay kanang nakikatabi. Kay katong ako ra kay akong katabi akong iro ra jud. Tukil unsa naman sa ni imong gikuha, unsa naman sa ni tukil lahi ra jud na nakikastorya baya. So mo na siya, but at the same time I feel like it's something na everyone should be able to experience at one point sa ilang life. Kay it's not just kanang sa part nga kanang makabuot ka, but it's an opportunity for you to learn more about yourself man sad good. You know?
I agree.
Diba? Like makaibaw ka nga, di ko ganan if in ani. Ay, capable di ko manglimpyo every day. In ana kay, you know, diba? If you're with your family kay magsaligbi ta. Inabi si mama na si lola mo at man ani. Dili ka maghuna-huna ba nga ay okay na if naihugaw diha kay na may musunod. Diba?
Yeah.
So sa una, makainunon ko before, like, anang limpyo ko, niya, manglaba ko. Although, di ko manglaba jud ato kay, wamang ko yung space para hayhayan ba, niya, di ko comfortable. So, magpa-laundry ko. But, kana mga anang responsibilities ba nga, kanang adulting jud gani kayo, nga hala, kailangan ko mulakaw akong weekend jud ato kay naadjay akong Saturday ato kay pang limpyo, pang palondre, pang grocery jud to, which is very nice gani siya nga kanang kanais ano nga ikaw ra mag-grocery, kanang pagpili ka unsay imong lutuon ana. So kana lang ako ang point nga marag I know nga lahi tanan, but it would be nice to at least try experience that.
Yeah.
Even no, even before kanang marriage.
Mm.
'Di ba? Kay Kate
It was Ket.
kay di ba Kate mentioned nga kanang makamove out ko if nanay ring. So kanina na ba nga sa naglibog ko sa sulti. Kay it's a thing na hisgutan sa namo ni Fritzy nga di sad ko ganahan ako sad mismo di ko ganahan nga maglahos mi og live in nga siyaw pa sa kasuway nga nag-live alone. Kilahi man good, lahi jud siya. So ako ang ginon asad kay ganahan sa jud ta siya. Kung sige lang kanang pagitan ta nagpaagi pohon. Support ra sa jud ko kay di ko ganahan kay from someone na naka-try na di ko ganahan nga murag mausab man good siya, mausab ang dynamics ba if kamo na lang jud duha and basin maabot to the point nga magsalig lahi ra jud if ikaw ra jud mo barog on your own ba. So mo na siya akong opinion na nga experience and like even before marriage. So yeah, I hope with Kate's experience kay kanang I hope you get the courage and the blessings of your ancestors of the universe nga mabuhat na nimo before mo hatag og ring si Den. So it's a very sad. Amot lang for me lang murag nice lang jud maka-try ba. Doesn't need to be that long but like at least try. Yeah.
You know, I mean, wala man sa gid me like super kuan pagyud like super clear nga. I mean, namin ni nana nga huna-huna but kanang I mean mo ba na ang kuan mo may ang dating to marry kanang ninana nga stuff pero kanang wa man may gidalian anything so most likely mohon pero maybe in the near future mga pila ka years from now may tabo gyud nang maka kuan na gyud
I would say for me in the perspective of someone who grew up cuddled sheltered. I'm just gonna be honest about that. I was so safe. I was so well taken care of. Only when I started living alone did I see the value of the things that my parents did for me. In a sense, I valued it for myself. I didn't just value its existence, the existence of a clean dish. I didn't just value that. I value the importance of doing it on my own and why I should do it on my own. And what happens if you leave leftovers too long? Cleaning out the mold. For me, kay, I'm gonna be honest. I wasn't that 100% responsible as growing up. I got used to just having things ready made, and I'll never forget the first Christmas or my first birthday. I was already living on my own, and ako, despite even if I live on my own, I constantly go home. So I have a room at home that I can that I also love staying in. But on my first birthday living away from home, akong gipangayo sa akong parents and I cannot believe myself. Kani akong gipangayo. I'll never forget. Ang gipangayo nila kay baldi og siligdaspan.
Cute.
And mo sa gift nilang mama sa ko. Happy na gigikan sila sa kuan kanang but asa to guys, anong girl to rasa to. Tara na akong birthday gift baldi niya siligdaspan.
Cute. Cute.
And I realized, oh my God, I was so grateful. I never would have thought nga grateful di ko gingonan ni nga na things. Kaya I got used to my parents. I mean, I got used to kanang mga yun ko gift nila mga ay kadig this year kanya akong pangayoon. But then you see things differently, and for me that was a sign nga I grew.
Mhm.
because I saw the value in those things.
Mhm.
Mo na siya ako ang take
Mhm.
on
And
this.
to add lang
Yeah.
pod ba. Um just want to say nga dili tanan nga wala gyapon ka move out kay ultimately sad or something kay no, some people are forced to move out baya, like
Yeah.
kanang choice jud nila nga kailangan na jud ko move out. Be it with, personal relationship sa imong kauban sa balay or like,
Yeah.
trauma and stuff, mga problems. So, which would be best for you nga mo move out. But for some people no kana sad very lucky kayo ang naagi hapon with family. Kay kana you wake up na kay food. You don't need to pay rent. You don't need to pay for electricity. Although if laisa na siya nga issue if pangayuan jud ka
Oh,
with
yeah.
from your parents, but
Uh-huh.
like kanina na like siguro mo share lang kag gamay but not necessarily nga
Mhm.
whole responsibility nimo siya ba, 'di ba? Very
Yeah.
lucky gyapon oy nga kanang inana. Although
Yeah.
yeah, depende jud siya. Case to case jud siya. So if ikaw okay ra sad ka and wala ra sad kay problems with your family and then okay ra pod. But for some, namsa jud goy some nga kanang they will feel nga gistop jud sila ba nga nasuwayan ni Kate before but kana lang pod depende jud siya sa mentality sa tao if unsay makauyon for them. But I think ang ato ang issue here is like ngano jud kaha no sa
Yeah.
close family ties jud siguro
Yeah.
siya
Kana.
Probably.
no kana jud siya and like being too sheltered nga nasubraan na
Oh
jud nga
yeah.
murag halos wala na jud kay sense of self kay tanan na lang gi-shield ka from the world, let's say in
Yeah.
Sabi ko chika na, just a little small chika. So for me, kung if I hadn't felt like kanang I was risking my life driving home every day kay layo kay mo sa city, I wouldn't really have considered moving out. And I'm glad that I did, but I will always remember that time nga it became real kasi mama man ang naghatod nako. She drove me to my very very first apartment. She hatod to damig ka ng mga foam, mga likuranan and I remember she got sad and she said, "Oh, di na ta ka baby, wala na ko'y baby. Di na ta ka baby." Like, and for me lang I guess in her perspective as a mom, and I guess one of the reasons why our close family ties guys sometimes prevent us from moving out, it's because it's my mom's purpose as a mom to take care of me.
Yeah.
And, she could have been anything else in the world, but she became a person whose purpose is to take care of her children. And nabot na sa point niya, mo move out ang kid, and it made her feel sad. And I guess kanang that is something sa jud nga ma-feel pud sa people if they tend to stop you from leaving. But all I can say is, hey, we're good, and I love going home. I love going home to my parents' house. Our house. Actually, I say our house jud. Kay part gyapon ko didto. Bahalag
Oh, yeah. Bitaw. True.
taga didto gyapon ko akong address. Ako actually ko home address kay didto ra man gid gyapon kay. Kapoy magkuan Google.
It's okay.
Yeah, so that's it for me. That's a interesting, I know,
dagan kay
topic
siya
and
dagan
something.
siya branch no
Yeah.
dagan siya pwede ano dyan.
I think no, I mean like sa case lang sa akong parents kay kanang ilag yung gipanindigan nga bisag unsa pa gyud ka nga age, we will take care of you. Mo ginaang ko like we will never stop being your parents. So yeah, di ba?
Nakoy lain
Kanang
nga add ana. So, I think maminaw man akong cousin ani. I don't think akong auntie maminaw, but I baw ko nga akong cousin maminaw siya sa hay. Although not all episodes, pero makakita ko sa hay mag-share ta sa post na. Nakoy cousin nga so kani siya kana went through teenage pregnancy ba. So na siya anak, ihang kid karon is mga 5 almost padung na mag 6 anak. And then kanina nakahunong og eskwela kay nagbantay sa anak. So while naghunong siya eskwela kay nagtrabaho, inana. So medyo nakasuway na jud sa reality sa life ba. And then kana when it comes to like kana ganing katong gingon ni Kate nga they will never stop being your parents inana. It's sa case akong cousin, it's not the thing kay remember ko before nga ingnon siya nga kanang ako human ako sa mga tuig nga dapat naani mo nga gipaskwela tika kay niskwela man siya balik. Niskwela siya balik and then madunggan ako ba nga kanang basta ako hantod second year na nimo di na tika gastuan. And ana muto nga masad jud ko guys, masad ko maminaw ba puro jud kumuton akong dughan maminaw ko nya kani siya nga cousin kay so jud me kay mo na siya mga cousin akong kuyog di grow up ba nya kanang ako man na siyang labanan jud ako jud na siyang labanan kay di ba alalim no if
Bitaw.
I don't know sad tungod sa siguro kay murag ako kay wala ba ako'y mama na so murag lain man siya paminawon nga murag imagine ko ba if ako'y giingnan ni nana murag dili kaya sa akong heart inana gani murag ako siyang gilabanan jud ko nga ako jud nang i-real talk akong auntie nga ayo na kay kanang wala ben siya nang ngayo nga ianak ni mo siya imuha jud na siyang responsibilidad like lain mo gud kay paminaw nga kanang bahala na ka diha ikaw na ana and kana ba nga mabalik sa iyang mistakes before kana bitawng isulti balik-balik ka to nga part niya da mo na kay sayo mo gud ka nang anak ana ina na gani and then maluoy ko sa akong agaw kay makita ba ako nga naningkamot siya nga eskwela siya balik kanang magstorya jud mi anang naningkamot ba jud ko tinins nga kanang eskwela ko ako jud ang gipaningkamutan nga ma-feel niya nga kanang nagbag-o jud ko nga nag-sorry jud ko sa akong sala kay ba man kung dumot jud gyapon kay siya atong nga panahon marag ina na ba sakita lagi sa dugan guys kanang makadungog ko nga ako na siyang giingnan hantod second year na ako siya paskwelahon bahala na siya diha ana gani and like you see the kid nga naningkamot ba nga niskwela jud nga mo share gud na siya nga kanang hala katong first sem niya first year nga na dean's lister ko tinin so, ako na siyang i-encourage ba nga hala congrats kana very good ana nya bisan pa deg in ana kay iyang mom kay lahi ra jud gyapon so mura dili jud enough and like makana gumana gud na siya nga unsa pa man dapat nako buhaton para makasabot ka nga nagmahay nako ato ako mga gibuhat before nga nagbag-o ko muto na kana ko nga lucky jud kayo ang uban nga nagyapon ilang parents no kay kanang in ana nga sense lang kana ba example lang to siya nga story nga kanang I don't know mo jud gud akong mindset mo jud akong mentality nga nanganak ka sa world para imo na siyang bantayan until when siya dapat bantayan or kanang imo siya providean ba until when dapat siya providean inana so mura ko nasad ana it's a thing so mohilak ko na akong cousin magstorya mi niya mo ana siya nga ikaw ra jud naka-appreciate nako tinins imo jud kung kanang damayan imo kung pangutan-on iyakinan yang mama ka isa nga kung kibaw lang ka si atinin sa jud naka-appreciate nako diri ana
Sorry kay lakon kay ko naminaw ito kasi
actually karon teary-eyed sad ko teary-eyed ko nya sad kay siya Sikang cute ni Kit. Hilak. Luwi kayo niya. Muna siya ako ang kanang kuyog katong naoperahan ko kung abantay isa ko diri sa ospital. Nakoy pamaliho. Ganang wala sad ba mo na nga. When I can, ako na siyang kanang palitan og food. Ako siyang giregaluhan og cellphone actually. Pag Pasko kay iyang birthday January man. So kunuhay kanang Christmas gift or birthday baratuhon ra gud pero lipay kay siya ato nihilak oy. Nihilak siya kay I don't know no kanang mga middle child problems gani. I don't know if kanuog mo ana nga kanang lahi ra jud ang treatment sa middle child in ana so mo lang na siya ko maluoy ko mura jud kumuto na kong dughan awayin jud nako akong auntie jud awayin jud nako kung ayaw ana ayaw pa dungga kay usay iya mang ma-appeal og storya about sa bata ba ko ayaw pa dungga kay lahi na sa jud na siya nga story. Kanang
Bitaw.
maluoy jud ko nga kanang kung ako mo ibutang ako ang shoes sa akong cousin bang murag if ako giin-ana murag di man ako kaya oy. Di na ko kaya,
Yeah.
dili jud kaya sa akong heart if inanaon ko muna nga ako jud siyang labanan as much as possible. Although dili man sad ako siya konsentihon kay nam jud usay magpabadlong, you know, mga bata pa lahi na
Yeah.
biya jud. At the same time ako siya ingnon nga hinumdumi atong mga storya ana ako jud siyang pahinumduman nga ako ra biyay mo laban nimo. Maminaw ka nako kay og sa puton sad ko nimo kinsa na lang may mulaban nimo dire. Ako yun siya
Bitaw.
ingnon kay maluoy mo kumuhilak jud siya kanang mangaon lang may baka nang casual ra jud nga nangaon ya maabot ana nga topic sus mukalit man og bako baka nang bako na
Oo.
yung maluoy ko ba so mo siya
Oh.
again lucky kay mo with Kate's part pod nga lucky mo nga ang inyong parents ba kanang willing jud gihapon to be parents bisag inana nga part sa inyong life. So yeah.
So it's, I don't know, different family dynamics, different environments. So it is a case verdict. It is a case to case
Yeah.
basis, but highly
Kan
recommended.
kitag na storya. But yeah, again,
very.
case to case basis but if in this life man good kana sa dili man good always na atong parents. So
Yeah.
in this life dili jud ka makaibaw so medyo mas maglisod man gud ka mo adjust when the time comes na kanang inana the sad part comes na unsaon na lang man ka maglisod ka kay to be honest no nakoy kaila di lang nakoy mention unsa siya nga kaila
Kailan yan ano, mga wali mag-mention.
actually kato siya si ate girl hala ang yang naibawan siyang life ata no kay manglimpyo ra jud kanang I don't know if tungod sheltered siya or tungod nagsalig lang jud all those years. Dili kay ba muluto kanang mamili og trabaho. Pila siya katuig nga tambay tungod kay walay gig sa singer-singer. Nya ingnon lang ka nga nang-apply mo og call center grabe wa jud ka nadawat bisag usa. Grabe na jud. Ikaw nga naka-abroad. Na kay pila ka years sa college, wa jud ka na dawat bisag usa. Nanong ka ng mga wala ka graduate high school, makasud man lagi.
True.
No, kanang mga inana ba nga. And then, when that turning point happened pod, nga murag kailangan na siya, nga siya na lang, nga siya. Nga siya. Nga, kung nga, paitaw, di mahimo. Uy, pila na edad, 50. No lang. Murag dili lang. So, mo na siya kanang siguro ang atong point atong common ground aning topic is it's best to know how to live on your own rigid. Nga dili gani to a point nga murag ma-force ka or like to a point nga mas maglisod ka when you're forced to be alone na lang. 'Di ba? Yeah. So mo lang na siya kay di ba na always bisan pag always willing sila mo dupa nimo dili always naasad sila. And unsaon na lang man ka if wala na sila. Di ba?
And as young as you can, it would be best to get to know yourself on that level. That's how you really know who you are, and that's how you feel secure sa imong self na, you know, I can take on the world, I got this. Nakayam gan ako ngayon eh. And I think that is very important because that's how we see ourselves. That's how we see the things we're capable of. And it's important to get to know yourself nga while young pa ka, so that you can, you know, adjust.
True.
Plan for the future.
And in that part man good no, it will improve a lot of your relationships. Be it with your family, with romantic relationships. Kay lahi ra ba dyan, no? If confident kay ka about who you are and na put ka in situations nga na test po na who you are. Char. Anyway, mo na siya.
Yeah.
Nice. Yun kayo ito nga point, Andrew.
Yeah. Mo na siya. Actually, what's up? Basa pa po na akong mata. Nasad ko nag-share ato good.
As in, like, Di ba kay ko kanang grabe mo hilak dayon ba pero like nag-imagine manggi ko si cousin na oo kita sa naong pero like kay imagine lang yun like grabe na feel na ko ang kuan ba oh shucks grabe ang empathy ba
Yeah.
oh kumusta man imong cousin ron
Wala, naragyapon diri. Okay ra. Usahay magsumpaki, jud
Thriving.
gihapon sila. So, ako man siyang i-real talk. Ang way ra jud nga ma-fix na yung relationship no kay if magbuwag mo. Mo ra jud na. If maglahi mo, dili mo in the same place. Kay inon karon mo kay nag-share pa sila pod og room kay tulor ba ni ka rooms. And like lain sad kayo magpa-share ko no. Nya mo ni si Fritzy, di ba? Nya, akong igagaw sad og iyang uyab. So sila ang together. So na ako siya ingnan nga ang way ra jud nga ma-improve in your relationship guys if maglahi mo, maglahi ka. And at this point magud dili na niya mabuhat. Kay student ba siya, di ba? Maluoy ko ba kay ako ang point man sad good nga. Kana ganing kita man ta ang family dapat magtinabangay ina na ba siya anak. Na siya anak kanya. If imong undangan og pagsuporta kay lagi manak ka sa imong obligasyon as what you think. Unsa man muhunong siya og eskwela para maka-provide siyang anak na pod. Murag inana gani nga murag what are we doing here? Unsa man ang end nga result atong nakita dire. Wala mo say makathink ko sus kung naalan jud ko daghan kwarta ako ra joy mo sa gani mo angkon ani nga bayron nun if pwede lang jud nan agani.
yeah.
So, yeah, mo lang na siya.
So, yeah, those are really good points that we've made, and I'm glad that we got to share our stories, very personal stories that we don't really talk about that much with each other. Parang sa kabuang katong hisgutan ko. But yeah, that's it, right? That's when life begins. Life
Yeah.
enrolled na ta. We're adults, and I hopefully people our age, they're also striving to make their lives better.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hey, all right, so that's it. So, wala siya kanang recap. Careful sa cruise ship. Onya, grateful ta basta na mga tago gift. Oh, onya live your life.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think that's it for this episode, guys. So, I hope naarapod mo yung na-learn from us, na mo yung nakuha nga input from us. Yeah, although dili ni siya nga murag namugos me or like nag-judge me ha. Based on experience man sad good siya. And kana lang, you do you. You do you, but siguro consider yourself lang jud at all times. Nga unsa man, is this good for me? Is this not good for me? And know when to walk away put. Know when to walk away. Yeah. Alright, so the blend's over for now, but the chaos never stops.
Stay tuned, stay bold,
and we'll catch you on the flip side.
Bye.
Bye.